Hello class, welcome back to your online class. So today we will be continuing with biology chapter 3, that is cell, the basic unit of life. We need to complete few more cell organelles according to your syllabus, that's plastid and vacuoles. Okay. So first let us understand about, let us go through the types of plastid and the function of each one of those. First, what is plastid? Plastid is present. You need to know this, okay? Plastid is present only in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell, okay? So it's a disc-shaped membrane, double membrane structure, okay? It stores pigment, okay? It provides pigment to the parts of the plant and it has other functions also, okay? So plastid can be divided into three types. Those are leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. Now first coming to the leucoplast. Leucoplast is called as plastid. Okay, it is present in some of the underground roots and modified stem like potato. Okay, and it helps in storage of the food. Okay, and the food is stored in the form of starch. Now next, moving on to the chromoplast. Chromoplast, it's a colored plastid and it provides color to the different parts of the plant like flower, okay, fruits, okay, and the kind of pigment that is present in chromoplast are your carotene, xanthophyll. These are the name of the pigments which are present in the chromoplast and it provides color to your fruits, flowers, okay, it's a colored pigment. Now next, which you are very much familiar with, is your chloroplast. Chloroplast consists of a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, what is the function of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green color pigment which helps in trapping the sunlight and helps in performing photosynthesis. And I hope you all know what is photosynthesis, right? What is photosynthesis? It's a process by which green plants prepare food. So if there would be no chlorophyll, plants cannot prepare food because chlorophyll helps in trapping the sunlight. Okay, that's why this chloroplast is also referred to as kitchen of a plant. Okay, this chlorophyll is present. Where is it present in plant? It is present in leaves. Okay, so you have to go through the function of each one of these. Leucoplast stores food in the form of starch. Chromoplast gives color to fruits or flowers. Chloroplast, it consists of chlorophyll, gives leaves a green color and helps in carrying out photosynthesis by trapping sunlight. Okay, so those are the functions. You have to go through the function very properly. Now next, I'll show you a diagram of chloroplast and we will discuss about the structure in brief about it. Okay, so the figure that you can see is the structure of chloroplast. So chloroplast, like most of the cell organelles, are double membrane structure. Okay, you have outer membrane and inner membrane. Now if you go through the internal structure, inside what will you get? You have a disc shaped structure. This single disc shaped structure is referred to as granum or thylakoid. Okay, now when you take the pile of this granum or stack of this granum, then you call it as thylakoid. You can see here spelling, go through the spellings also properly. Okay, thylakoid. Okay, now different thylakoids are linked with the help of structure known as lamella. Okay, and the space inside the thylakoid is referred to as lumen. Okay, now in your inner membrane you have a fluid-filled structure. That fluid-filled structure is referred to as stroma. Now go through the spellings of all of this properly. Just you have to know that it's a double membrane structure Inside it you have a granum. If you take a stick of granum, you refer to as thylakoid. The thylakoids are joined together, interconnected with the help of a structure called lamella. Okay, so just go through the basic structure of each one of these of chloroplast. Okay, and learn how to draw this particular structure. So next cell organelle that we will be discussing is vacuoles. Okay, now just like plastid, vacuoles are prominently present in plant cell. It is centrally located, larger in size. In animal cells, if most of the time it's not present, even if it is present, it is smaller in size. Okay, now coming to the function, first let us discuss vacuole is also a membrane structure. Okay, outermost membrane of a vacuole is referred to as tonoplast. It's a outer membrane of a vacuole. Okay, it's a fluid filled space. And where is it present? In cytoplasm. Now let's go through the function of a vacuole. So what are the function? It stores, if there is an excess water, pigments or waste product, it stores that. Okay, and it also stores dissolved substance such as sugar, and it also provides turgidity to the cell and helps in maintaining the shape of the cell also. So that's all about the function of the vacuoles. Okay, so here we sum up with the types of cell organelles. Now since you have gone through the different types of cell organelles, now I hope you will be able to differentiate between plant cell and animal cell. What is the difference between plant cell and animal cell? Plant cell, they have cell wall. In case of animal cell, cell wall is absent. And plant cell has plastid, animal cell do not have plastid. Plant cell, they have large vacuoles, centrally located, whereas in animal cell, even if it is present, it is small in size. Okay, and what are the other function? Animal cells have lysosome, plant cell do not have lysosome. Animal cell have centrosome, plant cells do not have centrosome. So you should be able to differentiate between plant cell and animal cell, and you should know the function of all the cell organelles that we have discussed till date. Okay, so next I will follow it up with the question and answer from this chapter. You have to go through each and every line that's given in your book, okay, so that it becomes easy for you to understand, and do not skip any diagram that's given in your book. Okay, go line by line through your content in your book, and then go through the videos that we send. Okay, so because you will not just get the questions from your exercise. Okay, you will get the questions from within the chapter also, concept based questions. So you have to go through the chapter line by line. Thank you so much.